Hello Excel champions, it's William aka Dr. Excel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Gantt chart without an actual Excel chart in Excel. So that's something that we've already seen, how to make a Gantt chart. But it's a bit tricky with Excel chart because sometimes you have weird behaviors with the option and so on. So I'm going to show you how to make a Gantt chart directly in Excel cells. So I will give you the file eventually so you can download it. Right now there's a link below the video so you can access the file with everything, all the formulas and all the settings, so you can download it and follow with me, and I'm gonna show you how to build this Gantt chart. So here I have different faces for my project with the start date and end date each time and the duration. So here for convenience I just say that I know exactly the duration of each phase, and each phase begins the day after the end of the previous phase, so it's kind of convenient. And I'm going to build the Gantt chart over there in the different rows. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to need the dates here, and for convenience, so we can actually see all the data, I'm going to use 1 week per column. So here I'm going to use the date here, and then I'm going to do this date plus 7, and so on, and it should be until August. Yeah, so it should be there. Yeah, a little bit more. And here I'm going to use as a format, I'm going to do format cells. What do I want? I just want the day and the month, like this, and I go until end of August. Do I have everything? Yeah, I have about everything in my chart. I have all the dates I need. Now, what do I want to do in my chart? I want to color the cell if this date is during this this phase. Okay, I want to so basically I'm going to have all the dates between those two highlighted. So what I'm going to do for that, I'm going to use a conditional formatting with the highlight cells rules, and I'm going to what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a classic formula, and for that I need two formulas. So and I need two criteria. I want first this this date is less or equal to this one, and the second one is the end date should be greater or equal to this one too. Now I want to be careful using either absolute or relative reference here, because I want to be able to reuse the formula in the whole chart. So here I must each time C2, so it's always going to be in column C, but it's not always going to be row 2. So I want C to be fixed, but 2 to be relative. Here it's the same. And G1, it's always going to be in 1, but it's not always going to be in column G. So I want G to be a relative reference. And the format that I'm going to use, I'm going to fill it with orange like that. I'm going to say OK. And if I expand this formula, I see that the whole period from January 30th to April 2nd is actually in color, and then it's not. After the end of that phase, it stays white. So I think I can just reuse this this conditional formatting formula everywhere and put it in my whole table. And here I see that I have my my different faces one after another, making my Gantt chart here. So what I can do to make it a little bit cleaner, I can put everything in white here. In white here, and I can put some borders, and another thing, I can maybe have some smaller columns like this. Probably better. And same thing here, maybe I'm gonna put this in white. Okay, so this way you can have your Gantt chart with all the different phases of your project without making an Excel chart. So that's even better. This way you can, it's probably easier for you to modify it or to customize it. So once again, don't forget to download the file. It's right below the video. There's a link for you, so you can download it and improve it or reuse it. And I will see you tomorrow for a new Excel tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. This way you'll be notified when I publish the video. See you tomorrow, champions. Ciao.